Continuing our look here at Computex 2025 here in Taipei, we're with Link Plus. Do you remember like 2 years ago they didn't have any NAS devices? Now they've got a family of NAS devices. Now we're well familiar with this, the N1 or the N2 or the M1 refresh. We've already talked about the S1 before, but they've got a new ARM-based powered NAS system in development right now. This is the Link Plus E1. Now this is a 2-bay NAS solution. It's got two SATA 3.5-inch media bays there, and on top of that, on the base, it has got itself a couple of M.2. Now, the M.2s there, I think I'm running at 3x1, but one thing I will highlight already early doors is the fact that this is rocking out with an ARM A55 processor. That is the Rockwell 3566 CPU inside. That's a quad core. It's got a Mali GPU keeping things running as well. It's got a single 2.5 gig connection, so I know some of you are going to think it's a little underpowered, but I will say with a reported RRP at $179, that is pretty substantial hardware for that price point. Particularly, it's going to be a RAID assisted device as well. Now, it's got 4 gig of DDR4 memory going by the A55 processor. There's no confirmation about whether that's going to be scalable or if that is going to be pre-soldered memory, which is kind of the case when it comes to ARM-based processors. But alongside this rocking out with UnRAID license included, again, much like the other devices here lined up on the table, they're also working on their new OS as well. And they're hoping, as the newer generation of those devices roll out, that it will be rolling out with the new Link Plus NAS software there. Now that software is going to be available for the majority of platforms, as you would expect, and at the moment the multilingual support is largely based on just the mobile application right now. There's not too much to show, Kate, if you come in there. Again, at the moment it's still very early doors, but they've made it abundantly clear that they're going to continue for the next few generations at rolling out with that UnRAID software license included with the system. So again, there's going to be both with the mobile application and alongside that with AI support, semantic search, that sort of thing, there's going to be a desktop client tool as well. Now, just before we wrap things up, I will highlight something we sort of touched on in a video a while ago, and that is this. They are working on an enterprise grade series as well. Now, this is going to be arriving with that Intel 1240p processor there. Again, huge tower operations per second, huge number of cores, etc., etc. And these are going to be rugged solutions that are going to be either both hybrid solution options or dedicated M.2 NVMe. It's still very early doors for the P series there, but this is just another example of Link Plus, who, again, 2 years ago didn't really have any kind of presence in the world of NAS, have really expanded, especially into flash solutions. And there's some really interesting stuff here to talk about. But let's carry on with the rest of Computex there, and I'll see you on the next video.